It was the middle of the workday. Crews were on site. Operations were active. Nothing seemed out of place.
But our surveillance cameras captured something unusual. An individual was seen moving back and forth near the office trailer. At first, nothing seemed out of place. He walked casually across the yard, then returned again, lingering near the same area. Minutes passed. He reappeared, pacing slowly, scanning the surroundings, watching site activity from a distance. Not working, not authorized, just observing and walking around. It was clear he was not there by coincidence. And then moments later, the situation escalated. A fuel truck was driven off the job site, stolen in broad daylight.
Yes,
The
hello,
site
this is the
superintendent immediately contacted us and requested
02.
footage. Our monitoring team
Initiating
responded
footage
without
retrieval
delay.
now.
Surveillance
Okay,
video was
Superintendent, we're
quickly
isolating the
retrieved,
clip now.
verified, and delivered to
Exporting.
authorities to
Confirmation on
support the
screen. We have the
investigation.
footage.
Using the provided evidence, law enforcement located the stolen vehicle off-site, and the suspect was arrested shortly after.
The fuel truck was successfully recovered and later towed back to the job site. No guesswork, no delays, just verified footage delivered when it mattered most. Because theft does not only happen at night, and real job site security means being ready at all hours.
Protect your assets before they disappear, because your security is our responsibility.